So I'm going to show you how to sort a data set in StatCrunch. Generally, when you're doing the homework and it gives you a data set to analyze, it will give you an option as to how you want to open it in StatCrunch or Excel. If you click StatCrunch, StatCrunch will automatically come up. There might be times in the class, however, where you have an Excel file and you want to import that into StatCrunch. So let me show you how to do that. You're going to go and open StatCrunch. You'll do that through your My Lab and Mastering. Okay, so you'll be here basically. You'll click on StatCrunch. And I'm going to go ahead and click Visit StatCrunch webpage, Open. And this opens, in a sense, a blank worksheet. You notice it looks like Excel. Now I want to import a data set, so I'm going to go to Data, Load, From File on my computer. And then you just search your computer files and pick out the data set you want. Okay, I happen to have it already set, but you might have to go to a different folder to find wherever it is. It's not a bad idea when you're doing data analysis to save whatever files you're working on in one folder. That way you know where everything is for the class. And I'll click Open. And you can put a description here. You can actually save a tremendous amount of things in a StatCrunch session, and we're not going to get to all of those, but there's an awful lot you can do, and we will talk about it later. I'm just going to go ahead and hit Upload for the time being. I don't want to do anything fancy. And now I want to go ahead and sort. So it's just like Excel. I'm going to click Data, scroll down, click Sort. Now, the equivalent of Expand My Selection in Excel is Sort All Columns. In other words, I want all the data and all the columns to move. I'm gonna sort by sex, and I'm gonna add a column. Just like in Excel, I'll sort by age, and you can do ascending or descending. I'm just gonna choose ascending. And what's gonna happen is after it sorts everything, it's just going to put the sorted columns in the original data set. You can have it create new columns just for the sorted data set, or actually open up a brand new sheet. And you can play around with those if you want. But this result will give me the same thing as I would get in Excel. And then I hit Compute. All right. And then it's really nice. It actually tells you what it's sorted and why. And if you look now, you can see all the females are first. The ages are ascending. If I scroll down far enough, eventually I would come to males after all the females had been exhausted in the data set, and the males are also ascending too. So very nice and simple, and very similar to Excel actually.